Alright guys, in this video we're going to talk about trusted connections and how they work and how you can add someone. I'm going to show you how you can add someone as a trusted connection. So right here, if you load up Roblox, you will see the big plus sign, and if you click on the big plus sign, then nothing is going to happen because you can't add trusted connections from the website, but you can do it on PC. But first, what are trusted connections? Basically, it's just a precaution so people don't talk to others who are older than them and potentially endanger themselves. So basically, how can we add a trusted connection? You want to open up the Roblox player on your PC, and then if you click on the plus sign right here, then you will see an option, add from QR code. Share your QR code to add people you know. So basically, all you need to do in order to, well, add a trusted connection, it is gonna show you this as an age-checked 18+ user. You can do more with age-checked 18+ connections and your trusted connection. So you will just click on add from QR code. It's gonna give you a QR code which people can scan, and that way if you give out this QR code, then you will give people the option of adding you as a trusted connection, and then essentially you will have more options to talk to them, and that's how it works. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.